All right, we found it. Found it.
Don't rely on Google Maps, it's terrible.
Oh, actually, we have Kakaa. Kokoa. That's the one that's preferred for walking around in Korea.
That one right there.
So, it helps.
And you know what also helps? Asking people. Sometimes there's a lot of places, and sometimes they're tucked away upstairs, so it keeps having to go walk around in circles. So here we are, Korean BBQ, our first one of the trip, and we'll show you some food in literally a second.
Yes, please. I'm not sure what that is, Dave.
You'll find out.
Comes with salad, samjang, salt. My favorite of all time right here. Kimchi. And what do you have?
I have beer. It's a little overwhelming because we don't know what to do, but they're pretty good about knowing that you don't know what you're doing.
Oh my goodness, everything looks so good.
I can't do it.
It's a quarter than full.
I can't do it.
Soju. Kamsahamnida. Soju.
Alright guys, so here's to you for watching and putting up with us.
Terra beer is so refreshing. Dave and I are gonna cheers, but come day to you guys. Wow, you can really feel the heat on this.
Turn the light on.
That mushroom's all for Dave. Oh look, it kind of looks like a whale.
Because the mushroom?
They split it up for us.
The pumpkin salad, just eat it or for that?
Oh, that is only the salad. Don't put that in the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, just by itself.
Yeah, by yourself.
Thank you.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna dip in a little bit of salt. Oh my god, you guys. Charcoal flavor on here is insane.
It looks delicious.
Wow.
Are you happy?
I'm so happy.
You know what I'm happy about? We're here to find this place. We were walking around out there for like a half an hour looking for
Not a half an hour. Oh my god, that is so insane, Dave. So tender.
I haven't had charcoal beef in a long time. That
You
is
didn't
so
use any
good.
salt, huh?
Oh no. Even better. So your favorite part, Kathy?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You didn't try any salt on there. It was so good with the
Oh,
salt.
I put salt on my chopstick and licked it. I forgot about it. Man.
So good. You want to try any of the side dishes?
I'm gonna leave that up to you. What are you going for first? Kathy's favorite, her glass. Is it glass noodle? What's nice is they take care of everything for you. Because we would definitely ruin it.
Wow. I'm gonna go for that with mushrooms. So much flavor.
And I'm assuming this is like a quail egg with a bunch of veggies like green onions and carrots.
That's a beautiful piece of meat. I think this is pickled
Pickled mushroom and celery and garlic.
So good.
Everything looks delicious.
I'm assuming that you
looks
break
like a
this
quail
and
egg.
you stir it up.
You
Break
that?
this and stir it
Yeah,
up.
mix it, yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Okay. Are you happy, Kathy?
I'm so happy. It has nothing to do with beer or soju.
Nothing at all. You know, it's sad. I'm going to go home. I'm not going to go. I'm not going to be able to eat anywhere.
We'll take you home with us.
That's a big,
Close to the beach in Disneyland. You'll be happy.
a big no.
I wouldn't leave here. This is delicious.
No way.
This is great. But the egg gives us a really rich flavor.
I think quail egg. Yeah, quail egg.
All right, which one are you gonna try first? You gonna try kimchi?
Uh-oh.
Don't be scared. There's a plate underneath your cup.
Oh, so good.
We're gonna have to wrap some of the meat up in there too as well. But with all the banchan, this is a lot of food, you guys.
Yeah, we're gonna take some home for sure. James will be happy.
Wow.
We'll have to do another piece of beef.
Did you try the samjang?
Yes. Ooh.
You love salt.
Oh. So tender.
The best ever, right? All right, Mr. Chicken. What do you gonna try first?
Sorry. Oh, too much. My second time trying kimchi.
Kimchi, yeah. Do you like it?
The first time,
Let's see this
probably
time.
better this time.
See, what
I
are you
like it
worried
better
about?
this time. It's crunchy.
Right?
I think last time it was older, more fermented.
No. From
You eat the kimchi with this meat. It's best.
Yeah. Whoa. I can't believe I can say kimchi.
this is so expertly cooked, Dave and I would have messed it up. 100%.
Absolutely.
So Dave and I were gonna go to a pork restaurant. They had no beef. I'm so glad we came here.
I am so glad.
Thanks, James. So what'd you think of the kimchi?
I was actually impressed with it. I was so happy. It tasted so good.
Try this.
That now I'm scared of.
It's okay. You could do it.
Really.
Thank you, 감사합니다.
So he said try this beef, the short rib with the kimchi.
That's not kimchi. He means this one. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm saving the beef for that.
Dave's gonna love vegetables after this for sure.
So in case you don't understand our channel, maybe we need to update our description.
He used to never eat
3 years
anything.
ago, I would have never tried this ever. But I'm very impressed with all this food. It's so delicious. So, I'm going to try another
Kimchi?
piece of kimchi. He said you have to have it with the meat.
Because it's marinated meat. So together. So happy, huh? This is charcoal grill, you guys. That's why the food is so good. All right. We're hungry. I think we're gonna chow down.
Yeah, everything is so delicious.
Delicious. Kimchi's good. Dave ate kimchi.
If you're afraid of food, watch our beginning videos. They might be a little awful, but I didn't try anything.
I mean, he did, but he had to twist his arm.
3 years later, I am so happy that I've opened up my mind and tried new food. It is so good. I've been missing out for so many years.
We'll see you in just a little bit. This is a must-do, you guys. Get a piece of meat, put it in here. A little bit of samjang, a little bit of wasabi as well. Kimchi. Why not?
Put it all on there.
Whole garlic. What else can I put in here? I think this should be a good bite. Yeah, you're supposed to do this in one bite.
I can't do that. Make Kathy do it. Nah, don't do it. She want to be able to talk afterwards.
Oh, and just got the garlic. It's so good. It's pickled. I'm so happy.
Yeah. So if you're in Korea, you have to do Korean barbecue. We have it in Orange
We did
County. but-
KFC, right? We had to do Korean barbecue. We did street market.
We've had a good experience in Korea. It's been good to us. I was actually impressed with this. I was scared of it a little bit.
This is the quail egg, right?
Yeah.
So good.
I was impressed with that as well.
I've been trying to get Dave kimchi for years.
I was actually really impressed with it. Good kimchi.
Everything here is fantastic.
All right, we got a lot of meat to eat. So
Amazing.
I think we'll just say goodbye for now, right?
For now.
Yeah. Thanks for
Until the
watching.
end, we'll
We'll
show
see you
you.
in our next video. 감사합니다.
That was so fun.
Like 3 weeks.